What's up, Kia Too Technical? I'm back again with another video today. As you can see here, I have a product in front of me. I won this product from one of my tech buddies. He does a live stream on Fridays sometimes, and he does giveaways. Not every Friday, but every now and then he does giveaways. And I'm gonna pull up his name on YouTube so you can see who he is. You can go subscribe to his channel, but don't just go subscribe because I won this. Don't go subscribe because of that. Go subscribe because you want to check out some of his content, because he does make good content. It's Today I Feel Like, and his name is Larry. Let me try to pull up the link, pull up his YouTube channel, and I'll be able to show you his channel. So pretty much it's Today I Feel Like. So if you're on YouTube, go subscribe to his channel and tell him Kia Too Technical sent you. So I pretty much won this product from his channel, from him I mean. So I just wanted to make that known so you'll know where this product came from. But this is called Movo. Movo creators want it. So pretty much this is a ultra compact 2.4 GHz dual channel wireless microphone system. So pretty much this is only available to use on your iPhone and iPad. And I have an iPhone and I have an iPad, so this will be perfect for me. This is their website. I'll make sure to drop a link to their website in the description. You can find them on Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and Instagram. Pretty much on the back it gives you more information, so if you want to read that, you can pause this video and read it for yourself. So now we're just going to cut into the product. I don't know what I did with my unboxing knife, but we're going to get this open. So pretty much it just opens like that. And so pretty much this product is good for when you're out on the go and you want to capture video content. You have access without using a camera. You're able to just plug this up to your phone, iPhone or your iPad, and you're good to go. So this is the case right here. This is the housing in here. You get some other things in this box right here. So let's see what you get. So you do get your user manual, and I will not be using that. You do get some kind of little brochure here. You also get a little card that says Go Create. Then you also get Movo creators want it little thing. As you can see, I'll just sit that right there. Now let's open up the product. I'm sure this is maybe like a charging case. Yes, and I am exactly right. So here you're able to charge up the device. That's USB Type-C, I believe. Yes, your power on button and your power off button is right there. It says Movo or Movo. I don't know how to pronounce it, but M-O-V-O. So now it has a button at the bottom here, and you just push it, and ta-da, just like that, you're open and you have access to your product. And in this little bag here, as you can see, you do get other kind of accessories, which is very, very awesome. This is nice. You get a dead wind, you get a dead cat for blocking wind noise. A dead cat, I mean, yeah. Well, no, this is not. Yes, this is a dead cat that actually goes onto this little mic here, because it does come with a mic that you can actually plug in to your device. But if you want to use this, you will need to have the iPhone adapter, which I do have the iPhone adapters in one of these drawers. But yes, if you want to use this, you would need your iPhone adapter. But that is cool that it comes with this also. And you will put one of these on top of here, and you'll be good to go and use this as your mic if you wanted to. Very cool. Now these here actually clip onto your microphones. You get some clips, as you can see. You get clips. You get some more connect adapters. Get your USB-C USB charging cable here. Now we're going to check out the product. So this is the actual mic. This is the mic part here. You can plug in your headphones to listen to how you sound. You have your medium and small sound. This really does look nice. So when you connect this to your device, that light will start blinking. And then here are your, this is the mic. Yes, this is not the mic. This is just the dongle that connects to the mic. This is the mic right here. So pretty much with this, you can clip this onto your shirt or your pants. But more likely you want to clip this to your shirt or a jacket close to you so you're able to get clear, crisp sound. So on here, it does have a power button. That's a mute button. You get your set button, your volume up, and your back button. This is awfully nice. On this side, you do get access to your USB charging port, and it does have a little screen so you can see what's going on. This is very neat. So with this product, you do get two of them. So if you wanted to do an interview, you're able to do that. So if you were talking to someone else, you can have one microphone on one person, then one microphone on you, and then you would just connect this into your device. I'm just going to show you that real quick. Let me take off my case because it's not going to work with the case on. Well, with this case on. So pretty much get your iPhone, then you just plug this inside of your iPhone just like so, and it is currently blinking. It's currently blinking, and you want to make sure you do have your Bluetooth connected, I believe. Let's go see here. It's blinking, and once that is blinking, you do want to come here and cut your device on like so. So I guess this would be your power button. Let's see here. I like products like this. This is very, very cool. A neat little microphone and a clip. You know what? I probably need to actually, nope, there it is. So yes, I was right. This is the power button. This turns the device on, but it also mutes the microphone. And as you can see, it shows you the level that I'm speaking on with the microphone, and that is very, very, very cool. And it shows you how much battery you have it on. So you can turn that up by hitting set. It'll turn it up to 6 if you want 6, and you can, let's see how high you can go. 6 is the highest you can go. So it can go from 5 to 6. That is very, very, very cool. I don't know how well you can see that, but that is very, very cool that it actually has a little screen to show you everything that you're doing on there. Like I said, you can put a mic, an inline microphone here, so you can plug up some a mic or headphones so you can actually probably hear yourself. And this here would be where you would clip your dead cat. So say you're outside and it's a lot of noise and it's windy, you could clip this on here like so. That way it is blocking out a lot of that background noise that you do not want in your videos. And pretty much all you would need to do is pick up your device, head over to your camera app, and then you want to just hit start recording. And I am recording a video right now, and I am talking into the mic right now. I'll have to come back with another video of me testing this out outside and out and about, but I just wanted to show you that this is currently working on the mic, on the Movo or Movo wireless mic. So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.